Hello students, in this tutorial we see how division used in HTML. So I am creating one sample page and saved as divisiondemo.html. I am adding some basic structure of any HTML page like HTML head and body. Now I am saving this page and running into Chrome. Then nothing will be displayed in my page. Now I want to divide my page into number of subsections. Like I want some header, horizontal header division. Then here is one sidebar and here one container. So I want to divide this main page into three sections. One is header, where I want to display some menus. Then one sidebar is here, and here is one container where all the pages of my site will be displayed. So divisions are used to divide our web page into subsections. So let's start. I'm adding one division, which is my main division, and I'm giving this as my document, and I'm adding some styles. If I save and run, nothing will show. After giving style one by one, divisions will be shown on the page. To give the styles to this division, by using ID, I use hash and the ID name, which is document here, and I am adding styles one by one to this document. I want this division to whole page, so I am giving height, width and border 2 pixel, offset height gray, then height as 99%, width also 99%. If I add, then my page looks like this. I am giving border to this my page, which is my main division. I can add width to 99.5%. Then inside this division, I want some header division. So I am adding one more division inside the main division, which is document, and I am giving ID here header. This is nested division because this is my main division and I want some other divisions inside this main division. So I am adding this division inside this main document division. Then if I save this and run, nothing will shown. But if I am adding some styles to this division, which is header, then I am giving first border. By giving border, we see where my division sets. So I recommend give border first. If you don't want, then remove it, but initially you may give. I want this header into some 10 to 20% height, so I am giving here 20% height. And width, I am not giving any width. Let's see, this is the whole width. My header takes whole width by default. If I want to decrease my width or customize width, then I am using this. Some spaces here, because this is not 100%, but I am giving 98 and add some margin. Like margin 5 pixel, and see again, where is one? This is my header division. So this is my header division. Now I want to add some left panel or sidebar. Then in main division, I want this subdivision. So inside main division, I am adding one more division. And I am giving ID to this division as sidebar. Then again, I add CSS to this sidebar division. Also, I am adding here same attributes but with different values. I want height 78% because this is 20% and remaining is the 80%, and from 80% I gave here 78, and width as 30%. Then my page looks like this. Some height I need to decrease, and also width I also want to decrease. Width and height 77. Again, I want some space here and here also from bottom. Then I want margin 5 pixel. So this is the effect, or this is the output. Now you may decrease 77 to 76.5 if you want bottom margin as well. Then perfectly, this margin also added. Now I want to add some division here where I want to display some pages. If I decrease this header to 15, then this looks plus 5, 81. Now it is perfect. Now I want to add one more division at this right side in main division. So I am adding one more division inside main division, which is document, I'm adding this division and I'm giving ID to this division as. You may give whatever you want. I'm giving here container. Now I'm giving same styles too. But only the name I want to give here container. It is style. Only the change is here. I want 78% width and height same. Now if I run, nothing will be happen. Now, as we see here, the division displayed below this main division, but I don't want this division here. This division I want at this side. So, one more attribute I am adding here. This is at left side, and this division I want at right side. So I'm changing some attributes and still I'm not getting the division. If I reduce the width, then we'll see. This width and increase some width here so that this gap I want to decrease. So this is the tutorial for division tag in HTML. We see here how we can use division tag inside the HTML. Actually, as we see here, division is used for adding subsections or for dividing our main page into subsections. Inside this, if I am giving box shadow effect for all divisions, then let's see how it looks like. Division and some box shadow effect. So this is we add here some 3D effect. So this is your division tutorial. Try it by yourself and see you at the next video. Thank you.